Students, under this topic, the topic of our discussion is now the impact of the modern period. In this very topic, I will tell you what was the impact of the modern period in India. The modern period, when India came into contact with Europeans, it had a great impact on Indians because European countries tried to impact India too much. They wanted to adopt Indians their own rules, their own tradition, their own cultures. At the time, Indian accepted it also, but later on they felt that it was not fair. So they started to oppose the European thoughts, European tradition, European culture, European civilization, and so on. Now, in comparison to foreign societies, many social evils were prevalent in the Indian society because this began to be attacked by the social reformers who tried to uproot them. In this very paragraph, I would like to tell you that the foreign society had many social evils, and these social evils they were wanted to spread in the Indian society also, because when Indians came in contact with the foreign societies, they began to attack they began to attack with their cultures and their tradition on Indians, and the social reformers did not like this very idea of the foreigners, and they wanted to uproot them at any cost. In the economic field too, there were drawbacks. Indian economy, in comparison of European economy, had too much back. Agriculture, trade and industries drew the attention of various administration and economists who tried to cure Indian economy of all its ills. Many new schools and colleges were opened where many foreign languages began to taught along their oriental languages. And with the introduction of Western education and Western literature, Western ideas also began to enlighten the Indian mind. Indians were too much influenced with the Western literature, Western ideas, and they were too much affected also. They wanted to imply all these very cultures, all these very traditions, all these very customs in their own life. Thus, the whole atmosphere changed, and Indians found themselves on the threshold of the modernism, and Indians had to pay too much cost of this very modernism also. As soon as the Indians came in contact with the Western culture, history and philosophy, they were inspired by the high ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity. Because in the Western culture, they showed Western culture, history and philosophy, they had learned the ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity. Foreign imperialism now stood before them, stark-necked, with all its oppression and aggression. How could Indians could not tolerate such despotic rule and economic exploitation of their motherland, because all these European countries were in the competition of extorting too much, exploiting too much money of our country. Soon they started a national movement against the British rule, because they did not like that the wealth of our country should go to other country. Following this very rule, a national movement against the British rule was started, and after a long period of sacrifice and untold miseries, as you know, Indians were able to get the freedom in the 1947. After getting the freedom in 1947, began the task of reconstructing India and rebuilding her economy. Indians, after getting the freedom in 1947, the Indian rulers or the Indian administration, you can say, tried too much on the task of reconstructing India. They tried to India reconstruct, and also they try to make prosper the economy of the India. With the strenuous efforts and continuous march towards progress during the last 64 years, India won for herself a place among the great countries of the world. With its extreme effort, India was able to stand with the other developing countries of the world. India was able to stand with them on its own leg, you can say. In this way, the modern period in India, you can say, is full of the stress and strain, because they had to face many challenges, many ups and downs they had to experience to make India a progressive and wealthy nation. But still, we Indians have not stopped after this. We always are trying to march forward gradually towards the progress and prosperity. We are still trying to be too much prosper